talking about the parts of small intestine. So this is a D1 and this is a D2. From here upper GIT ends and lower GIT tract start. So duodenum function, it absorb what? It absorb iron, calcium, and jejunum, it absorb mostly most of the nutrients. And the ileum which absorb, ileum is the one which are connected with the ascending colon. This is a part of large intestine. So actually ileum is the part from where vitamin B12 absorb, and this is a mesentery which help the connection between the organs. Now let's talk about the large intestine. Actually the large intestine is composed of ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, sigmoid, and anal region. This is the large part of last part of the GIT tract. So actually this is the ileum and this is the ileocecal part. This ileum, this terminal part, is responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12, and here is the appendix, and this is we call ileocecal wall or ileocecal junction. For example, if someone develop tuberculosis, ileocecal TB, so if TB develop here, it obstruct that part, and then patient develop constipation, loose motion, high grade fever, so things like that. And that large intestine is the one which absorb the water. If someone develop diarrhea, in the diarrhea most of the time large intestine involved, and they secrete potassium and secrete water, and patient develop what? Hypokalemia and dehydration. And these are the segment, or we call rostrum, and they also transverse colon. And this is a right colic flexor. Why? Because behind this there is a kidney is located. That's why this area we call right colic flexor, and this we call left colic flexor. And this is a sigmoid colon, and this is a rectum, and this is an anal region. So this is how we will know what's the basic anatomy and what's the physiology of GIT tract. Actually the anatomy and physiology and pathology of GIT tract is not complicated, but it just needs your basic concepts. So I hope you understand this GIT lecture very well. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I tried my best to cover all the basic anatomy and physiology and correlate with the pathology. In the region of stomach, I talk about anatomy, but little bit I talk about the stomach ulcer. If someone develops stomach ulcer, so that ulcer can in the lesser curvature. This is the lesser curvature and this is the greater curvature. So stomach ulcer involve the lesser curvature. So this is how we will study the stomach anatomy, and this is the D1 part, okay, and this is the D2 part, and this is the D3. So from below this we will consider the lower GIT tract. So I hope so you understand very well. Okay, thank you so much.